Aiden's drawing, he combined Plants vs. Zombies, Garden Warfare, and Angry Birds to make his own game. What is it called, Aiden?
It was Garden Warfare.
Oh, now show us your picture.
And although this be in the question, it means on died.
It died?
And two new birds. Donna got died because it's on him, and the only one's Brownie. It's trying to survive him.
Whoa.
And he's also trying to kill Bean Pig. And then he stopped.
Whoa. What else is there?
And there's Giant Lollipop Pig.
Giant Lollipop Pig?
And there's Lollipop Pig.
Oh, wow. I love it.
And there's Hal.
Huh?
There's Red.
Huh?
There is the Bluebirds.
Yeah.
And there is Robot. There's King Robot Pig.
Uh-huh.
And there's Robot Pig. And here's Terrence.
Wow.
And there's Golden Pig from Rainbow Daffy.
Love it.
And there's Bubbles.
Yeah.
And those are the dots, so you know that's where I went.
So you know where each one of them went?
Uh-huh.
That's cool. So the dots are their trails. You follow the dots to the bird or the pig.
Uh-huh. And being a pig, you can't see being a pig because you actually blink, okay? He's taking a break, okay?
Okay, you take the break. Is there any more on there?
That's all.
What about the bat?
Oh, the bat. Oh, the bat, and Terry's knocking out King Pig.
Well, he's way up there. I think this is awesome. Did you do it all by yourself?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Anything else you want to tell them?
Subscribe right now. Ow, 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 ow.
And tell them that we're going to start making more toys videos and plushie videos.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Just not tonight.
That's not tonight.
All right.
Bye-bye.
I love it.